Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make these delicious snacks we are seeing here. Many of you may mistake this to croissant, but it is not. So to make these snacks, all you need is warm water, warm milk, sugar, then some yeast. After adding in these things that I just mentioned, go ahead to mix together. After mixing, use your cling film to wrap it and allow it to proof for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll go ahead to unwrap it. Then we will start with the main process of making these delicious snacks. Then I'll go ahead to add in my egg whites, add in some vegetable oil, then use my whisk to whisk and combine everything together. After whisking, go ahead to sieve in your flour. So for this recipe, I'm using plain wheat flour. If you want to try this recipe and you want to get a perfect snack like mine, do use a plain wheat flour. Next, go ahead to use your whisk or your spatula to start stirring to combine everything together. So go ahead to add in some salt to it, and after that you can switch to using your hand to knead your dough. Next, go ahead to add in some of the remaining flour and continue kneading with your hand. Next, go ahead to transfer your dough to your rolling mat, then continue kneading your dough with your hand. Knead for about 25 to 30 minutes until you get a perfect bread dough. And after you are done kneading your dough, go ahead to divide the dough into 4 portions. Next, go ahead to mold your dough into a round shape, and after that place it in your bowl, then cover it with a cling film and allow it to rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. Thirty minutes later, go ahead and unwrap it, and after that take out one portion of the dough, place it on your rolling mat, then sprinkle some flour on it, and after that use your rolling pin to flatten the dough. And after you are done flattening the dough, brush the dough with oil. After that, go ahead to use your pizza cutter to divide the dough into 2 parts. Next, take one part of the dough and start folding it. Repeat the same until you fold the last part of the dough. Then after you are done folding the dough, then go ahead to roll the dough from one edge to the other end of the other edge. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough, and after that place all the rolled out dough on your oven rack. Next, go ahead to brush the top with some whisk egg yolk. And while brushing your snacks with your egg yolk, make sure you switch on your oven and allow it to preheat for about 10 to 20 minutes. And after you are done preheating your oven, go ahead to place your snacks in your oven and allow it to bake for about 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. 30 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to take out my snacks from the oven, and after that your snacks is ready to be served. You can enjoy these snacks with any soft drink or juice of your choice. Please guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. To all my returning viewers, thank you all for always tuning in. Bye.